Tech schools aren't just classrooms. They're gateways to STEM careers, allowing students to access high-tech equipment while linking students directly with industry partners. We encourage students to create solutions to real-world problems to develop their confidence and technical know-how.
Tech schools aren't technical colleges. They're hubs of innovation, providing immersive STEM experiences to all secondary school students in their areas.
No cost, no hassle. Tech schools provide free support and resources, including transportation to and from schools and out on industry excursions. Plus, they offer free professional development to all Victorian teachers.
Even if you're not in a tech school catchment zone, you're still covered. Tech schools offer remote and virtual initiatives, and this breaks down geographical barriers to allow all Victorian students to access this free initiative.
Tech schools don't just educate students. They enrich their communities and open up in-demand career pathways for students, creating a brighter future for everyone.